Welcome to a mess farm. For today's video, let's talk about how we can be successful in chicken farming in a natural farming setup. Just sharing to you guys a beautiful scenery I saw earlier on the way home to our farm. So they just planted or transplanted their rice. And look at the setting of the sun, guys. It's so beautiful. So while I'm planting these tomato seedlings, guys, I want to share something to you about our chicken farming journey. Just so you know, we are still too far from our goal. It's been 5 years since we started chicken farming, but for me, our progress is really slow. You know why? It is because I was not able to manage it well. It's on me, and but I'm not putting myself down, but rather I'm pushing myself to do better because I know that our team can do better than this. We just really have to unleash the power of using the knowledge we gained from those 5 years experience. And once we embrace change for the better, for sure we can achieve it right away next year. I'm very confident with that. I observe that there are two things which is hindering us from achieving our goal, and those are number one, being unfocused, and number two, not applying right away the knowledge we have, or let us say lack of action, to make it short. We actually have this knowledge, guys, that will really solve every problems we have in our chicken farming, which most of the people are not into it. That is why we can say that it is quite hard. We will share it to you guys once we finally did it, because it is hard to share a progress that is not even happening in reality. So we just have to act on it first, and we will make sure to record every process and its progress. So one day we can show you every detail of our progress, which for sure will give a big impact to our community, and you can as well do so. So if you are someone who wants to start a farming business, make sure to focus on one venture at a time, because we all know that there's a lot of business opportunities in farming, but if you are gifted with multitasking skill, then that's great of you. But we all know that focusing at one thing at a time reduces stress, and we become excellent at whatever it is we are focused on. Then the next thing we should do is make sure to convert every ideas into action as soon as possible, because an idea without execution is just a thought, and that's what we actually learn. I personally learned from the past experience we have, and it's time to take action, really. So let's start mastering the art of action, because what we do today shapes our future. The actions we choose to take today will determine what our future will look like. And every action we make brings us closer to our dreams. So, to summarize everything, there are two things we need to know for us to be successful in chicken farming, especially if we chose the road less traveled, which is natural farming. Number one is focus, and number 2 is take action. So that's all for today's video, guys. We hope that we all learned something in here. You can check the description below because we will put the links of our other helpful videos. Please continue to support us by giving our videos a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this to your friends and family, and of course subscribe to our channel as well for more farming ideas, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get updated right away whenever we upload new videos.